Jimmy JV71, an extraordinary, easy cleaning experience. 400 watts high-efficiency digital motor generates 130 air watts, super suction power, and great cleaning performance. Quickly clean up fine dust and big debris from floor and carpet. Press of button to switch from upright to handheld. Electric mattress head removes dust mites from bed. Versatile combination of multiple tools. Easy to complete whole house cleaning with little effort. Long battery life provides 45 minutes long run time. Easy to remove and empty the dirt cup. Charge while storing it anywhere. Jimmy, leading the future with extraordinary technology.